So, hi guys, how are you? We are going to discuss about the new recruitment. Just like the UPSC, there is some state exams known as UPPSC or BPSC or WPSC or other states. So here we have got the recruitment of Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission, okay, UPPSC. So if you want to fill this application, just take the points that I am going to mention, some important points. So see how it is supposed to be applied. You need to type in UPPSC, then press that. Then you can see this page. Here you can see online application for A5 in this under assistant engineer general special recruitment combined state and engineering service examination. Now this is online application for A4. Okay, this is A5, A4 for block divisional educational officer examination. Okay, so for the graduates, this is actually uh, supposed to be done. So as you know, the syllabus is I will let's see, we will talk about this later on. So you need to click on this, click here to apply online. So here you can see both are mentioned. So if you're applying for the Shiksha Vibhag or if you're applying for this one, then you need to click this apply. So now before that, let's take a look at advertisement, some important points. So you can see the PDF file of Hindi in English or whatever. So now let's see if with English. Okay, so there here is mentioned some important things. Now for the fees, it is 225 for the general, okay, and for SC/ST it is 105. Okay, so you can see unreserved EWS and other backward classes are all 225. SC/ST is 105, handicap 25, ex serviceman 105. So this is the application fees, and you can see some here the online application, the way it is supposed to be filled, it is given. So it is also now the vacancies. Okay, vacancies are mentioned, post is mentioned, and the name of the department where you can go after qualifying the examination is this irrigation department. There is a 171 vacancy for civil. There is mechanical, then agriculture, so you can count on. If you are civil, then 171 here, then 4 is in this department. So there is many, altogether it is 692 including these mechanical, civil, electrical and all. So this is how it is. Now this is important. uh, Actually this is just online, okay, not offline. You need to submit the money online only. So here it is, and you can see the pay scale here, 15,000 to 39,000, grade pay of 5400, and there will be some plus things also. Okay, since it is a government exam, so this is about some qualifications, okay, for different posts. If we are assistant engineer, essential is this, okay, you must have the degree. Preferential is this, that if you have served in the territory army for a minimum period of 2 years or something like this. So this is how it is. And for civil also, so all these are mentioned, okay, what they prefer and what is essential. So this is all mentioned, 13, 14, 17 points till 17 points. Okay, you can see the age limit, it should be 21 to 40 years. Okay, and this is okay. So okay, fine. Now there are some important some information about examination interview. So it is good that they are saying the dates and venue of the examination shall be informed by the commission later on through e-admit card. So it seems there will be email, and the admit card will be emailed. Okay, So now all original certificates will be checked at the time of interview. This so here they are saying that also require to candidate should have 4 passport size photograph, 2 unattested and 2 attested by the head of department or head of institution where they received education, or by a gazetted officer at the time of interview. So at the time of interview there are some conditions here. Now, okay, here it is a note mentioned that candidate must include self-attested copies of all certificates in support of their claims rendered in the application form. Okay, so while you are filling the application form for the examination, okay, for the things, you also need to test. You must also enclose self-attested copies of all certificates. Okay, so there are some important instructions. Again, is given 13th point. Okay, so it is saying that it is important. Okay, as per the decision of UPPSC, a candidate will be liable to be debarred from this examination and all other future examination and selections up to a maximum period of 5 years for furnishing any wrong information in his or her application form, which can be substantiated by relevant documents, or for any other malpractice. So you can see, it will be debarred from this examination and all the future examinations and selection up to a maximum of 5 years for furnishing, all this. So you need to keep in mind this thing. So now, okay, this is not that important. Third one is saying that is you must have the date of birth certificate as in the high school certificate. Okay, so you can go through these points, nothing much to be discussed. Okay. So this is the advertisement. Okay, here now you can see. Now this is also important thing. Now while you are going to upload, look that first you will be doing the registration. I will show you right now. Just continue to watch the video. First you will be going, you will to be doing the registration. Then after registration, there will be payment. Then after payment, you will be then asked to do some additional, you give some additional information including photo. So this photo should be like this. Okay, there will be only one link to upload a photo, and it will be saying upload your photo and signature. So the photo and signature should be in this form, then only you should upload. Okay, so this is important to note. Okay, fine. Fine, okay. So this is it. Now let's go back here. Okay, now if you are going to apply this FI1, here you need to click on apply. Now you can see this Sammilit Rajya Abhiyantaran Seva Pariksha. Okay, so now you need to click on this registration, number of posts 712. You can see that over there. Now, have you ever been applied online against any post conducted by UPPSC? If yes, then click yes. Then you will be having to give your previous registration number and you can proceed with that. And if you haven't ever applied, then press no. Then you will be doing the fresh one. Okay, now this is here one criteria. You can see type of recruitment: general, special recruitment, both. Now if this is how you are supposed to fill all the higher essential. Now there is one important thing to note. Okay, one important thing. Now when you will be filling all these things, and you will be so what you will select, some people will try to take this both, and then they will do all this. So what if you are in UP, in UP, like here it is asking yes or no. If you are in UP, if you are doing this yes, then it will happen. But if you are non UP, okay, then this will not work. Okay, you need to check out this one, general recruitment, then only it will proceed from here. So after this, there will be some additional things Okay, then there will be payment option. You will have to do the payment. Now payment will be accordingly as I told in PDF. And after payment, after doing the payment, you will again have to do some extra things like you have to upload photo and signature and some other things also. So, and I have also mentioned how the photo and signature should be. Okay, so keep in mind that, and just to go through all the things carefully. So this is all can say. There is no. Okay, so here you need to press yes, because yes, Krishi. This is Yantrik. Here is, it means mechanical. Okay, civil, here civil is mentioned clearly. Now here guys, we are going to discuss about the UPPSC assistant engineer. I mean, it's syllabus actually. So uh, um, as I have discussed, in this one, you can see the registration has started from 30th 12 and 27th of January last date, and application submission last date is 30th of January. Okay, so these are some things. So um, now the examination. Okay, now about the syllabus. So you just type in UPPSC assistant engineer. Here you can see about the 2019-20 for 692 post. If you click this one, you can see candidates can apply 30 from this. Okay, this is one. So here some things are mentioned. Now advertisement number is mentioned, 692 vacancy there is, and here it is. So now you have to scroll down. Okay, you need to scroll down. You can see here number of vacancies, as you can see in the advertisement, is only there like that only. Eligibility criteria is mentioned, mechanical is here, civil can also apply, agriculture, industrial, okay, chemical or equivalent from a recognized university. So engineers have the opportunity here. Now must have minimum of 21 years, maximum 40 years. It will be of written examination, then there will be interview. Pay grade is this, and then 15,000, then grade pay of 5400. Now fees is mentioned, I have also discussed it. Now this is how the exam pattern is going to be. Now there will be a Hindi paper of, there will be two papers, one and two, and probably both will be on the same day, morning, evening, or something. So there will be two papers. The first paper which you will be giving will be of 2.5 hours. There will be 25 marks question of Hindi. Okay, now second part will be of 100 marks according to your stream of engineering. Okay, you will be asked accordingly. For civil, there will be civil questions 100, and the marks will be 300, so in total it is 375. Now the next paper that will be giving um, 25, so it is Saman Adhyan, actually it is a GS paper, so it will be of 75 marks, and then again there will be a technical paper according to your engineering stream, if you're civil or mechanical. So that question is only going to be asked. There will be 100 questions, total marks is 300, in total it is 375. It will also be of 2.5 hours. So okay, so cool yoga, it is 1850. So this is how examination pattern is going to be. Now you can even search. Okay, so this is how it is. Hope it is going to help you out. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching.